Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to add keyframes in Capcut PC to move screen. So let's just say you wanted to add keyframes to this video. So all you have to do is to drag that video or that file here and then locate that specific area by moving this line. So for example, I want to start the movement in this place right here in this area right here. So all I have to do is to move it and then add keyframe. So I'm going to show you how to do it. Let me tap this line first. So to add keyframe, go to video basic and then go to transform, click this diamond icon right here. So I have moved the line to that specific place and then I'm going to tap this diamond icon right here to add keyframe. Now I'm going to zoom this video. Okay, so you can just go to scale and then move it or increase and then add keyframe again for the next movement. I'm going to zoom out. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And then I'm going to add another keyframe again by going to transform, tap this diamond icon, and then I'm going to place this on the bottom left corner. Add keyframe again, place this to top right corner. Move again, tap this diamond icon or keyframe, and then move it on this side. And then again, I'm going to play the video, go to transform, add this keyframe, and move it to the bottom right corner. And as a result, this is what it looks like. So basically, when you move this line to the very start, click play, you will see the movement of the video here on the screen. So basically, that's how to add keyframes in CapCut PC to move screen. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.